To customize display colors in Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter display and touch settings, and then you can scroll down until we find the colors. You can click on it and then adjust the colors between neutral or adaptive. Choose whichever option you like. You can see this image on preview just to help you decide which colors look better. Alternatively, you can also go back to the color section and change adaptive tone to off. This won't make your screen adjust the colors automatically. If you want that to happen, then you can activate it as well. There's comfort filters as well that you can activate, and this applies the yellowish color to the screen so that it's much easier for your eyes to watch your phone. You can activate the comfort view as well as the night light, whichever one you prefer. There's also color contrast, which applies more contrast to increase accessibility. So for some people it will be much easier to read things while it's active. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.